What's the word with y'all boys, man? I'm back at you with another video. Treyreacts 2 man points laser pointer at WA State Patrol aircraft and instantly regrets it. Hey, let's slide, man. Let's get straight to it.
Today's story brings us to Tacoma, Washington, where the
Oh,
Washington
you're a
State Patrol
dumbass.
Aviation Division was flying their fixed-wing aircraft, equipped with FLIR technology. While on patrol, they encountered someone on the ground pointing a laser
You a
pointer
dumbass,
directly
dude.
at the aircraft. Pointing a laser at any aircraft is a serious federal crime, and it's taken very seriously due to the high risk it poses to flight safety.
Oh, shit.
Coordinating with police units on the ground, the Washington State Patrol deputies were able to zero in on the subject and arrest him for violation of Title 18 of the U.S. Aviation Code, aiming a laser pointer at an aircraft. This crime carries a penalty of up to 5 years and a $250,000 fine.
Sir, available to contact your house. It's been the second time this week from the same residence.
Second time? This week? Oh, hell no. Yeah, you're a dumbass, dude. You're asking for trouble, dude.
Smoker 3 Tacoma. The address is Tacoma Avenue South.
Come on, stop. West 410 Valley.
Hydro 187 954.
10. Corey, show me in Roswell.
481 954.
Radio 1 Paul 72. I'm on the service. Have a good night.
Boy, I ain't gonna lie, that shit look weird as hell, bro. This shit look like some GTA shit. Like, what the hell, bro? This shit dead ass look like a video game, bro. God damn. Nah, but imagine if this was like a kid doing this shit, bro. Cause wait, do kids get charged as an adult for doing this shit? Or for doing this specific crime? Cause I have no idea. What exactly are we looking at, though? I can't tell if this, like, red line is, like, an infrared beam. Or not infrared beam, but, like, You did it again? Are you a dumbass? Oh, you're a fucking idiot, bro. Oh, you're a fucking idiot, bro. You know they're on your ass right now, and you just did it again, bro. Someone need to beat this dude's ass, bro.
31.5, clear the location, adding house.
Man, someone gotta beat his ass, bro. And this is why you're finna owe 250 grand to the fucking cops, man. Or to the government. Oh, that shit is a thermal sensor. I didn't mean infrared. Yeah, I meant thermal. Yeah, hell yeah. I don't know if it's the thermal, though. Could just be some shit that the camera makes it look like. I don't know, for real.
Tacoma 6 area south.
You're doing it still? Bro, someone needs to beat his ass, bro.
Been advised of the tow zone.
What the fuck is wrong with this dude?
6 right, 1958.
Nah, at this point, it gotta be a light in his room that does that shit, bro. He can't be He can't be purposely doing this shit, bro.
Smoky 3, Tacoma.
Smoky 3.
For the troops on the ground, if they want to wait to contact the house when they get there, he's only doing it when we do our orbit house. So when we orbit around, we can coordinate and have the troopers roll in.
Bro, this shit kinda hurt
turning
my
the laser.
eyes now. God damn, bro. Why the fuck you still doing that shit?
41.
Exactly why they finna take your ass to jail, boy. Bro, this shit does look hella weird though, bro. This shit looks like, not even the Kazuko in GTA. This shit looks like some other shit, bro. I'm trying to think of some GTA shit. What happened in GTA that looks like this? Damn. Oh, that one contract, that one auto shop contract missing, or that heist setup. Hell yeah, I remember now.
Requesting all units switch to PC.
It still ain't look this advanced. This is crazy.
Smoky 3.
I ain't gonna lie.
5 switch.
Oh, how long is this video? I think we might have time for more. 10 minutes? Hell yeah. Bro. Oh my god, bro. Yo. Like, what makes him want to do that shit, though? Bro, I'm telling you, bro, this gotta be a kid, bro. This cannot be a grown-ass man. Hold on. Oh, no, but it says, bro, the thing is, it says man points laser.
PCLE.
But, bro, a man doing this shit is some dumbass. Bro, you would think a grown-ass adult knows better than to do this dumbass shit, bro.
A couple Tacoma units are also en route. 2322 Tacoma Avenue South. I have found at least 2 prior instances of the same thing.
Received, and we advise our troopers if they want to wait to contact the residents, they're only doing it when we orbit on the front side. We can coordinate to have him doing the laser while the units show up.
Received.
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna, that shit kinda hurt my eyes, though. Damn.
And for Paul 339
Especially when it takes up the whole screen like that.
37 are on this channel.
Hell no.
3, and I'm checking the subject of this address now, Delgado Gonzalez.
I low-key want to speed it up a little bit, you feel me? Get to the action.
Yeah.
Right now. Alright, especially when it's right behind the house. Hell no, ain't nobody trying to see all that. But we trying to get to that motherfucking action.
Harbor 6, round PC 11.
I'm about to do that shit again. Hey, bro, he has that shit ready. Hell no, that shit gotta be some shit in his house. Like, and they keep switching the modes and shit. That's why I'm tripping out. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that shit look cool though. But you can tell this shit's like high tech as hell. Bro, where the cops at though? So far it's just been bro fucking going in the helicopter and shit.
State 41. Set up right now. Not block away from the residence.
What the fuck? He go outside to do this shit? Hell no, bro. Switch modes. Switch modes. Hell no. Switch modes. What the fuck?
Smoking
Is
three
this
to
the
the
same house?
unit. Now he's outside.
Yeah, I knew I wasn't
alleyway.
tweaking.
The new address is south of G Street, Tacoma.
What the fuck? Is he gonna lead them somewhere? Bro, I know this man did not just, bro, he ran out of his house too, cause look, that orbit, what is that, like 30 seconds? Like, that orbit from the back of his house, that's probably like 30 seconds at the most. He ran, cause look, he was doing that shit upstairs in his house. So he ran all the way downstairs, ran out the door, ran into the alleyway just to do this shit. What the fuck? This man got issues, bro. Issues for sure, dude. What the hell?
And did he come out of that 2322 address, or is it now 2018?
Oh, he right there?
He came out of the 2322, and he's now at 2319 South G Street in a vacant lot, actively shining. So if units want to move in now.
That's him right here. Is that? Yeah, it's him.
We're at 21 Jackson now.
Oh, what's this guy's problem though, bro? What the fuck? Bro, I ain't gonna lie, he just looking for problems for sure, man.
In the water.
That is the subject.
Oh shit, they on him. They on him. Is bro trying to creep up now? Yeah. Your ass cooked, man. I don't know what the fuck you thought was gonna happen.
I believe 501 is contacting him right now.
Fast. I don't know what the fuck you thought was gonna happen, bro. You going to jail for this.
State 837, is it the alley west of South Tacoma?
Right.
It looks like an alley. It's actually Court F like Frank Street, so Tacoma
Alright,
Avenue South is the main road that the jail's on, and it's the alley to the west.
That's the second cop right there.
Thank you.
Bro, this shit do look cool as fuck though, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Just imagine like 20 years from now what technology would look like,
one into custody.
Holy shit. Motherfucking in 20 years, I'm the fucking unk status. Oh, hell no. And legit unk status too. Oh, fuck no. If I make it to 20, if I make it to 20 years.
State 481 received, and I'm updating your dispatch center with the subject's name from a prior Lisa
that's
Gonzalo,
two more?
Hispanic male born 1963, if that matches who you're out with.
Damn, they on his ass.
Received, I'll relay that to the dispatcher and attach it to the Tacoma's call.
2910 will take PP11.
You're on PCL 11. For the driver, the glass of Fabry 2000 28 expiration.
Damn, now he going into the car and shit.
Open court, we drink.
Wait, what the hell are they doing? Are they just talking and shit? Yeah. I think they're having a little group meeting, you feel me? That guy's such a dumbass though, bro. He probably been wanting to go to jail actually, I ain't gonna lie. Now that I'm really thinking about it, no one does that shit unless they want to go to jail, bro. he most definitely been thinking about that county, man. Damn, this shit is cool as fuck though, bro. Like, cause it's programmed to have all, bro. Oh my god, this shit is cool as fuck.
I'm back from West there.
Bro, I would actually like pay to ride in one of these things, bro. This shit looks cool as hit, bro. It shows all, bro. This shit like a GTA, like the map thing. Whenever you press options, bro, this shit is cool as fuck, dude.
All 339 received and stayed unless you need PCL 11 or Smokey on this channel.
Smoky free. I think we're good. Thanks for the help. Appreciate it.
The suspect was arrested and booked into the Pierce County Jail. Now we know why you should never point a laser pointer at an aircraft.
Hell yeah.
It not only puts lives at risk, it can also cost you your freedom.
Most definitely.
The suspect is considered innocent until proven guilty.
Bro, what type of AI voice is that though, bro? They couldn't have got a human to say that shit like them the Midwest ones. The ones that I mainly be rocking to, you feel me? Like, damn, bruh. I mean, at least bro fucking says the shit during the video. They got the AI in this bitch. Motherfucker sound like a more robot version of Alexa. I don't even know how you can do that too. What the hell? But hey, man. I say if you made it to the end of the video to hear this, appreciate you a lot. If you're new, like, subscribe, comment down below. Show your boy some love in them comments, man. And yeah. Well, I ain't got no more to say, so we out. Peace.